Back when I was a child, before I remove all the innocence, my father would leave me high, and dance with my mother and me, and then it's been right after last. None of the stars they would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that will never end, 'cause I love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother will disagree, to get my way I will run from her to him and make love just to comfort me. Yeah, they'll finally make me do just kinda mama says. Later than that when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone for me. If I could not steal one final glance, one final step, my final dance with him, I played a song that will never end, 'cause I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door and heard oh mama you cried from here. I pray from heaven more than me. I pray for heaven more than me. Ooh, I know why you're praying for much too much, but when you stand back, the only man you love. I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord is crying. Just with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and it's all I never dream. Oh, but the Lord, she's saying, dance with my father again.